Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST Supersport-K for Kangaroo D3O jacket. The all-new RST Supersport-K D3O jacket retails for $579 as of the time we're shooting this. Please understand, we never update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing.
So I am 5'11", 175 pounds with a 39.5-inch chest. This is a size 50. Definitely fits very tight. It honestly feels like my custom RST race suit or like the V4.2 in a 50. It's the same thing. If I did want a little more wiggle room, I'd probably go up a size into a 52, no doubt. But I'm more of an aggressive fitting guy, and I like it. So
it looks like it's the top half of. It's very close to that.
If I wanted an airbag, for sure a 52. But with as it is right now, I put the back insert in. I'm good to go with a 50. So
full Kangaroo chassis with your four-way stretch, AAA CE rated if that's important to you. Look at these forged carbon shoulder inserts. That lays on top of the level 2 certified D3O armor, actually the same exact piece that's in his race suit.
Yep.
Level 2 CE D3O in the shoulder, elbow and forearm, replaceable elbow slider.
Hell yeah.
Max can't drag his elbow. Can you drag yours?
You can't grow any hair.
That's true.
What?
Back. Look at the race hump. I love what they did there in the center. They've got that 3D mesh. It's great styling cue. Ton of perforation. Four-way stretch across the top. Subtle RST logo printed there. Motion panel done in Kangaroo. Kangaroo panel here. Subtle screen printed logo there. Like a little digital camo print there. Four-way stretch to adjust for volume here in the waist. Kangaroo. Velcro and a D-ring.
This thing's pretty awesome.
Oh, this thing's amazing, dude. And they used all the stretch fabric here, right? All the way from the top of the shoulders, all the way down to the terminations at the cuff, locking zippers, hand warmer style storage, heavy perf, right? All the stretch fabric you see, that's going to flow air freely. So not only does this thing move great on your body, the cooling is going to be excellent. There's no removable liner. This is intended to be a warm weather.
Completely. Yeah, of course. Yeah, summertime
Premium.
jacket. This is definitely premium. Honestly, out of all the jackets I've tried on, and basically it's been everything except Dyna's. This is, I'd say...
Yeah, they're a disaster. We don't even sell that right now. They're a disaster.
Probably my favorite fitting jacket overall, for sure, when it comes on to a full leather. So...
And the cool part, this is, I think, probably the only Kangaroo jacket on the market.
One of the only ones, and it's for $600, $580.
Well, it's under $500. It's under $600. I'm sorry. Yeah, $580. People are gonna be like, I want that discount. Not gonna happen. Yeah, premium. And like when we say premium, we're talking about stack this up against anything that's over $700, and it's Kangaroo.
And it's Kangaroo.
If you like what you see so far, you want more details, we're gonna take this thing off Max, take it apart, and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The all-new RST Pro Series Supersport-K Kangaroo. That's what the K's for. Leather jacket from the inside out. D3O Level 2 certified armor in the shoulder, well as the elbow and forearm area. Same stuff they're using in the V4.2 race suit. Full Kangaroo leather chassis. Subtle race hump on the back of the jacket. Screen printed logo, very subtle there too. Perforated panel here in the shoulder blades. Good size motion panel here done in Kangaroo. I like that little screen printing detail right there. Just adds a little style to the jacket. Four-way stretch here in the side of the jacket. Volume adjustment is done with leather, Velcro, and a D-ring. Zoom in on that carbon shoulder slider. That thing looks amazing. Also works in conjunction with that shoulder armor to bolster protection in that area. That's just a sick detail. Little screen printed patch there. Motion panel here. Replaceable elbow slider. Subtle screen printed logo. Neoprene cuff. Locking zipper here in the cuff. 4-way stretch is used all throughout the arms, all the way down to the cuff, all the way up to the neck. That intersects with the one on the side of the jacket. Really helps this jacket move very well on your body. Also important to note, that flows air freely. Front of the jacket, notice the relief in the neck. Just makes it more comfortable to wear. Very subtle screen printing here on the logo. Kangaroo panel, heavily perforated, stretch fabric, flows air freely, perforated Kangaroo panel. Hand warmer style storage pocket. For your reading enjoyment, it comes with this little novel on the inside. If you want to get out the turbo glasses and try and read the very small printing in there, that is included at no charge for you. Inside the jacket, look at this mesh, this 3D mesh liner here. You get your D3O back protector insert sold separate. Slide that bad lad into this pocket right there. And what the spacer fabric does, it maintains a pocket of air between your body and the back protector. It just helps to really keep you cooler and more comfortable, especially with all the airflow this jacket's going to provide. That is a very nice touch. There are pockets on either breast that accept the all-new D3O RST chest armor. If it's not here yet, it's going to be here very, very shortly. Great way to bolster the protection of this jacket is to add the inserts in the back and the chest in conjunction with the level 2 stuff that's included with the jacket. Just going to make sure you're safe and secure. Storage pockets. Slip pocket over here on the left side. Another one over here on the right side. Full circumference zip to pants. If you want to add the leather pants, Trek Tech Evo 5s or something with this, have yourself a nice 2-piece riding suit. These are going to mate right up with that and going to be just great. To access your armor in the shoulder and the elbow, there's a little zippered pocket down here underneath the zipper to attach to the pants. A little padded tail to the jacket. This just helps overlap when you get in that aggressive riding position. If you're wearing a pair of riding pants or something, just helps to make sure you don't have any exposed skin in that area. What do I think of this jacket? Well, number one, it's Kangaroo. That's amazing, right? It's AAA rated, all that stuff. If you're into the CE ratings. Level 2 D3O, you gotta love that. That's a great addition. This is a premium, well-ventilated jacket. This is going to be very comparable to the absolute best in the industry. All that you're going to do is have money left in your pocket when you buy this instead of buying something that's over $700. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. Answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the next Kangaroo leather jacket for your ride.